Good morning, students. Last video I have described about the mean as well as median. In my previous video, we have discussed how to find out the median of the group data, and I have discussed direct question also, and I have also discussed the one of the question where it is given in a cumulative frequency table, like less than series, more than series. Now in this video I will discuss how to find out the missing frequencies when the median is given and the total frequency is given. So please pay attention. CI, FI and CF. Only 3 columns are required for the median. Zero to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. And here it is F1, this is 5, 9, 12, F2, 3, 2 and total is 40. Now if you find out the CF, how will you get? This is F1, F1 plus 5, F1 plus 5 plus 9, 14, F1 plus 14 plus 12, 26, F1 plus F2 plus 26, then F1 plus F2 plus 29, F1 plus F2 plus 31. And as I said earlier also, the last cumulative frequency is equal to the total frequency. So can we say here F1 plus F2 plus 31 is equal to 40. Therefore, F1 plus F2 is equal to 9. Say equation number 1. Now, when you are finding out the median, we always see n by 2 and just more than n by 2. But in missing frequency, you don't do that n by 2, but you look at the given median and see in which class this 32.5 fall. It will fall here 32, 40. And so we can say median class is equal to 32, 40 because 32.5 will fall between these two. And so we can say here then lower L is equal to 30. Now this is your FI. FI is equal to 12. Then CF is this one. CF is equal to how much? F1 plus 14. H is equal to 10. Apply the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by FI into H. What is your L? 30. N by 2, 20. CF is F1 plus 14 in the bracket and FI is 12 and H is 10 and 32.5. Transfer this side, it will be 2.5 and that will be equal to 20 minus F1 minus 14 divided by 12 into 10. So this 2, 6 ja, 2, 5 ja and then 6, 5 ja 30, 15 is equal to, it will be 6 minus F1 into 5. Will it be 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja, and so 6 minus F1 is equal to 3. Therefore 6 minus 3 is equal to F1. Therefore F1 is equal to 3. So the value of F1 is what? 3. And in order to find out the value of F2, what can you say? F1 plus F2 is equal to 9, F1 is equal to 3 plus F2 is equal to 9, therefore F2 is equal to 6. That is the answer. Let us discuss one more question. Very similar to this. One more question we will discuss. Find the missing frequency frequencies, there are two. If the median of the given data is 5 to 5. So now this is CI, this is FI, and this will be CF. CI is 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, 600 to 700, 700 to 800, 800 to 900, 900 to 1000. And the frequencies are 2, 5, X, 12, 17, 20, Y, 9, 7, 4, and total frequency it is given here is, that is 100. Now same question, no difference is there, but little bit lengthier. Doesn't matter, you have to look at the 525, you have to look at the frequency, this median given, and the total frequency what is given. Find out CF. This is 2, 5, 7, 7 plus X, 19 plus X, 9, 7, 16, 36 plus X, then 56 plus X, 56 plus X plus Y, and then 9, 6, 15, 65 plus X plus Y, then 72 plus X plus Y, and then here how much? 76 plus X plus Y. So one equation you can easily find out what is that. This is equal to this, and so 100 is equal to 76 plus X plus Y, and so X plus Y is equal to how much? 100 minus 76, therefore X plus Y is equal to 1064 and 972. That is equation number 1. What is the median given? 525, and this 525 will fall where? It will fall in this. So you can recognize median class is equal to how much? 500 to 600. Now 500 to 600 means L is equal to 500, I, this is Fi is equal to 20, and cumulative frequency is equal to 36 plus X. Now H is equal to 100, therefore median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by Fi into H. What is your median given? This is given 525. This is 500. N by 2 is 50 minus CF is equal to 36 plus X, keep in the bracket, Fi is equal to 20 and H is equal to 100. This will go that side, so 525 minus 500 will be 25. This will be 5, and so it will be 50 minus 36 minus X into 5. 5 1 ja 5 5 ja. So 5 is equal to 15 minus 36, 14 minus X, therefore X is equal to 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. And since you have X plus Y is equal to 24, 9 plus Y is equal to 24, therefore Y is equal to 24 minus 9, how much? 14, 9, 5, 1. So, one is missing frequency 9, other is 15. Okay, so this is all about the median. My next video will be on the mode. So next video I will discuss about the mode. Thank you.